this is the host name is this, and I am creating the both, and this is the agent, and both is Ansible only. So from the remote host we can connect to the Ansible host. Okay, so here it is, you can check. Okay, authorized key is generated. If it is not generated for your case, you can generate it, no issue with that. Okay, we'll go to SSH and check authorized key is there. Nothing is there. Another I check. Okay, .ssh, inside the .ssh authorized key. So this is the fresh one. Okay, so we'll start. We'll create a directory called name PEM. PEM file. We'll go inside that PEM. Okay, SSH key, then -b by 2048 -f I name exam signal, and we can go -t, type is RSA key. Fine, I'm not giving passphrase. Okay, so here we have created public and private key. We can cp to public key to our authorized local authorized key. Yes. Okay, now we can provide the proper file permission 600. Yes, and now we need to create PEM file. Okay, from the private key, take the private key and create the PEM file .pem. Yes, now SAP and go to directly agent. Public key, will take public key and go to agent. Yes, 1968. We'll take this Ansible @ 192.168.56.102 home Ansible.ssh. Okay, we'll put here. Yes, here we need to copy this public key to our authorized. Okay, fine. The permission, here's mode -600 and authorized key. Oops, oh, hyphen, we should not give hyphen. Okay, so permission is given. Fine. Yeah, here is that, so we can remove that public key, it's not needed. Yeah, because already we copied all of the authorized. Now we can -i PEM file 192.168.56 56 not 2. Oh, okay. I given pub file, I have to give PEM file. Fine, I'll do that. Fine. I exam signal dot PEM 192.168.56.102. Yeah, it's connected. You can see that I am in Ansible test agent. Host name. Yeah. So exit and we'll go to the Ansible. Now we are going to use Ansible 192.168.56. Here you can mention any inventory -m ping -private -key. This is important. You can note down this one and give the full path, PEM file path, Ansible dot ssh PEM class exam signal dot PEM. Yeah, it's connected. It should connect, and yeah, it's success. So you can see that it's success. Yeah, that is fine. It's working fine.